हैदराबाद के पुराने पुल इलाके में कुछ शरपसंद और फिरका परस्त अनासिर ने मजार और कब्रों को नुकसान पहुंचाकर माहौल खराब करने की कोशिश की। इस दौरान पुलिस पर पथराव हुआ जिसमें 6 जवान जख्मी हो गए। चाशुम्बा की रात 100 से ज्यादा शरपसंद नौजवानों ने पुराने पुल दरवाजे के करीब मौजूद मजार और कुबूरों को नुकसान पहुंचाया और बेहुरमती की। बताया जा रहा है कि पुराने पुल इलाके में मंदिर में मूर्ति तोड़ने की अफवाह के बाद मुकामी अवाम बरहम हो गई, जिसके बाद पथराव और तोड़-फोड़ शुरू हो गई। रास्ते से गुजरने वाली कई गाड़ियों को नुकसान हुआ, शीशे तोड़े गए और एक नौजवान को पुलिस की मौजूदगी में बुरी तरह पीटा गया। हंगामे के दौरान पुलिस पर भी पथराव हुआ, जिसमें 6 पुलिस जवान जख्मी हो गए। हालात पर काबू पाने के लिए भारी पुलिस फोर्स, रैपिड एक्शन फोर्स और हेडक्वार्टर्स से एडिशनल बल तलब किया गया। एडिशनल कमिश्नर पुलिस तफसीर इकबाल ने मीडिया को बताया कि हालात काबू में हैं और घटना में मुलव्विस अफराद के खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी। उन्होंने अवाम से अपील की कि अफवाहों पर यकीन न करें, पुरअमन रहें और गैर जरूरी तौर पर घरों से बाहर ना निकलें।
So today night 11:30, near about 11:30, we got some information about few antisocial elements came and nearby that temple, which is nearby Puranapul Dwar temple. Some antisocial element entered and they tried to turn on Flaxi. After that, few people gathered and that information went to the police. Immediately, police came and we have registered a case on appropriate section, and we got some clues about the person also. So our police people are working on that. Meanwhile, few people gathered over there and they started giving slogans and all. So our police people, all the senior officers, including DCPs, DCP Charminar Zone, DCP Rajendra Nagar, DCP Golconda, then DCP Task Force, Joint CP Traffic, SB, Joint CP SB, all the officers, all the ACPs, along with the force we came, all came on a proper time, and they have dispersed the all concerned people. So now situation is properly peaceful. There is nothing which is out of control. It is completely controlled, and our police people are doing proper patrolling to the night, and all the places our visibility is there. Police visibility is there, and entire thing are now normal. And we got a lot of police forces from district, from city CP reserve and also DG reserve. So force is quite proper, and we are taking all the precautions regarding the miscreants and antisocial elements. We have a proper informations, so we are going to take action against those people also. And from my side, our city police side, we are appealing to the people that don't believe on trust on any kind of rumors which is spreading here and there. Nothing is there. In the ground, everything is peaceful. You all people are here, so you are also noticing and witnessing that everything is peaceful here and properly under control. And we are taking all the precautions.
How many men have been injured?
No such injuries are reported so far. Just few places they have pushing and all those things was there with the police and antisocial elements. So now it is a quite peaceful.
How many vehicles have been?
Nothing, no information is there so far we have. So we are also.
Have you detected any suspect?
We have a full knowledge, full information, and we are going to take action them.